thank you so much for joining me today on 321 Preschool Fun. I am Miss Brittany. Today I'm going to show you how to make a peekaboo sensory board. I was inspired by some ideas I saw on Pinterest as well as Instagram. And the really neat thing about this is everyone has their own spin on it. There's endless ideas and uses out of the materials. And what I did is I took an old Amazon box and cut off one of the sides and I lined it with some decorative duct tape. It is aesthetically pleasing and it also keeps it so the edges won't fray at all. And then I've been collecting over the matter of maybe a month or two these baby wipe lids right here, and you just take off the plastic part and all the stickiness on the back. And what I did was on each one I put a piece of paper underneath and I glued it, and then on the top I decided to make colors out of them. So I put construction paper and labeled them according to color, and I used wood glue to adhese it onto the cardboard, and it stuck just fine on the back of the plastic and paper to attach it to the cardboard. So I continued this process in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and inside I have matching colored shapes. So a red star, a yellow circle, orange triangle, all the way down to a pink rectangle. You can do shapes, colors, numbers, you can do sensory materials. I did want to include some fun textured items and sensory materials, so I cut paper towel or toilet paper rolls into thirds, and I put some more wood glue at the bottom, and inside I filled each cylinder with a sensory item. I have beads. This one I have a false leaf, some straws that are cut up. Right here is some pom-poms, foil. This is just a piece of paper towel, easy. Some bubble wrap, rice, and dried black beans. So I wanted to have my son, who's almost 17 months, I wanted him to be able to start working on color recognition, which we've been working on a little bit, and shapes. And also, like I said, it's a fun sensory item included in this. The ideas are endless. I highly recommend making one of these for your young child or toddler. It's very good for probably, I would say, around 1 to 2 or 3 years old. These are great for. And it's a fun DIY project that does not cost you anything if you have items just laying at home that you're going to recycle or throw away anyways. I'm going to show you a video of my son enjoying this. He hasn't used it yet. I'm excited to see how he works with it and if it's very interactive and fun and engaging for him. Alright, I'll see you soon. Hi, Easton. You want me to turn it this way for you, Ben? Okay. So my son is almost 17 months and we're working on some of these skills like colors and shapes. And it's always fun to have the sensory play. Easton, what color is this? What color? Blue, good job. What shape? You know what shape that is? It is a heart. Good job. What color is this? Mommy's favorite. That's a diamond. We don't know that one yet. That's orange. Triangle. Yellow. What shape? What shape? Yeah. What's this? No, that's a triangle. Red. What shape is this? What is it? It is a star. Good job. What's this one? Green. And that's a square. Good job. What's this one? That's pink. That's a rectangle. Something else I did on the edge of each of these, I put a little black mark to signify where to open it. It's just a little more easy for them visually to see where it lifts. Yeah, what do you think about this? When you're doing the sensory items, you can talk about the textures. So this would be fluffy or fuzzy for the pom-poms, maybe bumpy or hard for the dried rice. You could also talk about what you see, like the foil's shiny instead of dull, or the colors and the beads. This would also be great to be kept against a wall if you want to attach it that way so they can stand up and work on the activity. What do you think, bud? You like it? Alright, well, I think this will keep him pretty busy and engaged for a while. I'm going to let him finish playing, and I will catch you guys next time on 321 Preschool Fun. Once again, I am Miss Brittany. If you love and enjoy my videos, please give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.